Hi there and welcome. It's Tracy at stampinwithtracy.com, and today I wanted to share with you the Bird Ballad laser cut cards in tin. This is brand new in the Stampin' Up annual catalog, and it's so cute and I just love it and wanted to share it with you. So you get this cute little tin. You can see it fits in two of my two hands. So it's not super big. The lid comes off very easily. I know some of the tins that you get, you really got to pry them to get them off, but it comes off really nicely. And inside, there are 12 very vanilla card bases that are laser cut. And then you'll also get 12 envelopes with this cute little scallop on there. Now, you could give this, you could make all these cards, add more details to them, and put them inside, put a bow on it, and give it to someone. Or if you want to keep it for yourself, you could, after you had done the cards, what is really nice is our stamping blends fit in there perfectly. I think I'll use this tin when I'm doing some stamping on the go. Also, excuse me, you could put your snail and some scissors and a bone folder and, and glue and take that with you. So it's just a fun little tin, and it has some beautiful cards in here. So let me show you some samples that I made with this. You can go very simple like I did on this card. So what I did is you can, you should put something back here so that you can't see your writing there. Let me stop for just a minute. I want to show you in the catalog where this is. If you go to page 9091, this is the part of the Bird Ballad suite. And you can see right here, they put a piece of very vanilla underneath and then decorated it really pretty. And then over here, they actually added some decoration to the tin. Now where you can find these, if you go here, it says Bird Ballad laser cut cards in tin 168, and I could see very easily missing this, but it's right here. All right, so it gives you more information about all of it. All right, now we're ready to move on. So what I did with this one is I thought it looked really pretty just like that. And then the nice thing is that you see the other side of the paper when you open it. And then I used our Butterfly Gala stamp set to do the sentiment there. So I just simply glued that, and we'll do one and I'll show you. Now another one that I did was this one. And I did some extra stamping to put in the middle there, and I used a beautiful friendship. So I used Poppy Parade and Granny Apple Green and some rhinestones, and did these on very vanilla with the Stitch Shapes dies. So you can do anything you want with it, decorate it however you want. Now the paper that I used was the CS Silhouette DSP. And this paper is just so pretty and vibrant. And let me show you, like again, on this card, you're going to see both sides of the paper, but I just want to go through and show it to you. So we have that. And this. I did a card with that recently. So pretty. I believe this is the one. This is the one that I did with this card. Well, yes, I know for sure because it'll be on the other side there. Yes. I'll put more sheets. This one. And then this one. And this is the one that we're going to use, that I'll show you with an example. So what you'll need to do is cut a piece of designer series paper that measures 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. Now what you'll want to do is take our multi-purpose glue and add some glue around the edges here. Now I'll be honest, this isn't my favorite way to put a card together. But I tried using glue dots and that just didn't work. They're too big. So the reason is that if you add too much of this glue, it makes a big, huge mess. So you just want to be very careful that you're just using a small amount. Now, another thing that we do not sell anymore, we did, in fact, I'm not sure if we actually even did last year, but this is an adhesive remover, and it's great for this kind of thing. For instance, if you get a little bit of glue there, you can take this eraser, and then it sticks on here like that, like little gooey. Oops, it already came off. But this is a great thing to have in your craft room. It's just an adhesive remover. All right, so what I'm going to do is take my glue and just add a little bit. Let's see, let me get a piece of scratch paper here or something. I could take that. Okay, I've got it started. Okay. And even that might be a little too much. This is making me nervous doing this on camera. Oh, and you know what I just remembered is you don't want to go all the way to the edge. Did I do it here? Yeah, see, I might need to use my adhesive because the paper is a little bit smaller than this size, so it's going to peek out a little. So let's see, I wanted this side over here. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. So ridiculous. There you go. All right, so I did get a little bit down here. We'll just take some of that up. And then what I would use is my adhesive remover. When it's all done here and dried, if I feel any stickiness along the edges there, so I see a little bit there. But then when they open it, it's going to look so pretty just like that. And then they open it and they see that pretty paper there as well. All right, so again, this is the Bird Ballad laser cut cards in tin, and I think it's just gorgeous. It goes well with our See a Silhouette Designer Series paper. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.